Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Jeannie and I am here in a home that my son has owned for about 3 years. When he bought it, it was a fix-up project that we're just now getting to with a sense of urgency because our first grandchild is due right around Christmas, so we're super excited. But there's no way that I am going to have him bringing this baby home into a house that is almost a complete gut job. So I'm going to document the process because budgets are tight, time is short, and I have got to turn what is essentially a shithole into something amazing for this new family. So join me in the process and let's get to work. The family room, living room, den, whatever you call it, has wood paneling. It had wood paneling on all of the walls. They popped the ceiling, went up to the roof line. So the supporting beams above me are actually placed over the paneling. And also I have to take up all the trim to get this paneling off. So that's what's going on right now. I'm going to show you how I do this. It's super easy. And if you're going to replace it and you happen to have wood paneling, this is how you do it. So follow along, let's get this done. Pulling nails is super easy with a tool like this. The rounded edges keep you from denting up the sheetrock. The key to it is as you pull it and rock it, move up on the nail and rock so that you have leverage. That'll help you a lot, especially if you have a lot of nails to pull. My other thing, I can speak. The other thing is the fiber sheetrock tape that is adhesive on the back. It's not terribly sticky, but it's sticky enough once you press it down, it stays in place. It will help you fill gaps and make all your smooth lines in between your joints on your sheetrock. I love this stuff, and you can double up, triple up, and you can cover pretty big holes with it instead of buying the fiberglass patch kits. Just get yourself a big roll of this and keep it on hand, because if you got kids, they stick holes in sheetrock all the time. I know mine do. Now, if you have a big piece to patch, like you're gonna see me do, my son had a water leak out of the bottom of an air conditioning unit. As long as the leak is not continuous, it's already stopped, the wood is dry, you're fine. I spray it with bleach first, kill any mold. Go above your whatever you need to take out. If you have a big hole or a section you need to remove, locate the studs, which was easy to do with this project because I can see where the nails are in the sheetrock. And you want to cut your piece out from stud to stud, and that way when you go to replace the sheetrock, you have something to anchor it into. So in the case of what I'm doing now, I cut it pretty far above the line just to make sure that I didn't have any continuing rotting or leaking going on behind the sheetrock and that the wood was completely dry. So not a big deal. Sheetrock repairs are really easy to do. As long as you know how to do them, no problem.